that after weeks of dilly-dally, the D-Day has arrived and a decision on the future of the much-awaited Champions Trophy would be taken place today by the ICC after a meeting with the PCB. We're going to find out more details about what that outcome of the meeting is going to be. But as of now, what we know is that RJD leader Tejasvi Yadav has said that he would like the Indian cricket team to travel to Pakistan for the Champions Trophy. That key meeting is underway. The emergency ICC board meeting involved the BCCI and the PCB to resolve the Champions Trophy impasse. And Pakistan, let's tell you, could also lose the Champions Trophy hosting rights.
अभी हमारी वार्ता चल रही है ना, और जब पूरा जो है ना एक फाइनल आउटकम आ जाएगा तो आपको अवगत कराएंगे, है ना। हम देखिए जो हालात हैं सब कुछ है, उनको देखते हुए फैसला लिया जाएगा। हमारे लिए खिलाड़ियों की सुरक्षा सर्वोच्च प्राथमिकता है।
क्या सर हाइब्रिड मॉडल पे भी संभावना है विचार?
वो भी एक ऑप्शन है, हाइब्रिड मॉडल भी एक ऑप्शन है ना, और भी ऑप्शंस है, तो उस पर वार्तालाप चल रही है।
लेकिन पाकिस्तान तो कह रहा है हम वापस चले जाएंगे, कोई किसी कीमत पे हम
मैं इसीलिए कह रहा हूँ वार्तालाप अभी हमारी वार्ता चल रही है ना, और जब पूरा जो है ना एक फाइनल आउटकम आ जाएगा तो आपको अवगत कराएंगे, है ना। हम देखिए जो हालात हैं सब कुछ है, उनको देखते हुए फैसला लिया जाएगा। हमारे लिए खिलाड़ियों की सुरक्षा सर्वोच्च प्राथमिकता है।
क्या सर हाइब्रिड मॉडल पे भी संभावना है विचार?
वो भी एक ऑप्शन है, हाइब्रिड मॉडल भी एक ऑप्शन है ना, और भी ऑप्शंस है, तो उस पर वार्तालाप चल रही है।
लेकिन पाकिस्तान तो कह रहा है हम वापस चले जाएंगे, कोई किसी कीमत पे हम
मैं इसीलिए कह रहा हूँ वार्तालाप चल रही है।
And I'm joined in now by my colleague Rakshita from the Republic Newsroom. Rakshita, what details are you picking up from the crucial meeting that's underway as of now?
Well, of course, the meeting is all set to begin in a short while from now, around 4 p.m. We expect this virtual meeting to be held, and the ICC has, of course, its task cut out, with the PCB being very, very adamant that it is not going to accept the hybrid model, which India is quite keen on, as reiterated by BCCI Vice President Rajiv Shukla. Also, hybrid model is something that has been adopted in the past, as we saw even in the Asia Cup as well. We've seen India's matches being shifted to Sri Lanka, while the rest of the matches are played in Pakistan. And remember, Kriti, we've seen the kind of situation that's being witnessed in Pakistan, the unrest, the instability, the turmoil that is unfolding in the streets of Islamabad, the way killings are happening, the political killings are happening, the protests, the unrest, everything is making a case for raising concerns among several countries. That includes Sri Lanka. Just a few days back, we saw the Sri Lanka A team pulling out of its matches, not playing due to the unrest. And even in the latest, we have the England Cricket Board telling its players not to play in the PSL. However, it says that it just wants to prioritize domestic cricket in Britain. However, having said that, we do understand that the situation is not at all feasible in Pakistan. There have been many incidents in the past few days that, of course, raise many security concerns in India. As far as the Cricket Board of India is concerned, BCCI is concerned, I made it very clear. Now, hybrid model, of course, the Pakistan is now feeling threatened that what if the entire tournament is moved out of Pakistan? That would be costing Pakistan a lot. And even if India matches are moved in, what really happens to the finances? That is, of course, that is remain to be seen. And we also see ICC will be trying to convince Pakistan as to adopt a hybrid model. At least let India matches and the semi-final and the final matches be played outside Pakistan. A venue like UAE is the front runner. So that, of course, remains to be seen. All eyes will be on this meeting because the schedule is also not out, because the uncertainty over the venue. So, of course, even if it is shifted to another location, that country, suppose it is the UAE, it needs to make arrangements accordingly. And henceforth, there's a lot of anxiety amongst various cricket boards as to where is this tournament going to happen. Pakistan, of course, very keen on hosting it, and also worrying about the fact that India, who actually has a lot of say in the ICC, has immense power in the ICC. It's the most powerful cricket board. If ICC listens to it, and you cannot have this Champions Trophy without India playing in that. So it is going to be very, very financially, something that is not feasible for the ICC too. So what India puts up, India's stand will remain that it is not going to send its cricket team. At the same time, we have the politics here in India. We just heard RJD leader Tejasvi Yadav batting for Team India to be sent to Pakistan. And of course, that is right opposite to the stand of India. India has never sent its team since 2008 to Pakistan. We have not played there on Pakistani soil, and India remains firm on its stand.
All right, Rakshita, you've given a very detailed analysis already, but talk to us about, given the fact that Pakistan has a history of sponsoring terrorism and the instability that it faces in its home as well, what are the chances that Pakistan may as well lose the hosting rights for the Champions Trophy?
Of course, there have been strained political relations between India and Pakistan, and also it's for the world to see what has been happening in Pakistan. We've seen the Quetta blast and other areas affected with the terrorist attacks in Pakistan itself, and of course the unrest that is happening, the opposition leaders, the way they have been jailed. Imran Khan's party leaders, Imran Khan himself is incarcerated, and there have been calls from many corners, even within Pakistan, that how can you actually even imagine in such a situation that such a great tournament, such a big tournament be organized in such a situation. But remember, the Pakistan Cricket Board needs to, it is very desperate to host this tournament to fill in its coffers, but all depends on the BCCI and the ICC. Also, India has consistently, of course, maintained that it will not be able to, it will not be able to play in Pakistan. And what if India pulls out of this Champions Trophy? If at all Pakistan remains the host and all matches are played on a Pakistani soil, what really happens? Is India going to pull out of that tournament? Is India not going to play completely? Then also the ICC will be very, very worried. So that is the big update. ICC has been suffering financially, and what if Sri Lanka comes and replaces India? That is, of course, a very something to watch out for. Unlikely to happen given India's power and clout. We have to wait and watch, because India, the government of India remains the ultimate authority to approve, as Rajiv Shukla was saying, that discussions are underway as to what to do. Hybrid model is something that India is keen on, which Pakistan says it is not keen on. But we've seen this happening in the past. Even during Asia Cup, Pakistan tried to flex its muscles and say that, okay, we will have our own way. And why is India doing this? Why is India being obstinate? But in the end, it was a hybrid model that was adopted. Remains to be seen what happens by this evening.